Hi everyone, we're now on the circulatory system. Quarter 1, Lesson 2. This is based on Dep Ed Melks. Circulatory system is a network consisting of blood vessels in the heart. This network supplies the tissues in our body with oxygen and other nutrients, transports hormones, and removes unnecessary waste products. The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system, which pumps the blood throughout the body, supplying it with oxygen and nutrients. The size of our heart is like the size of our fist. We will start with the right atrium, the portal entry of blood from superior and inferior vena cava. Then blood passes through the tricuspid valve going to the right ventricle, going to the pulmonic valve to pass through pulmonary artery, going to the lungs, where blood becomes oxygenated and it returns back to the heart, passing through pulmonary veins. It goes to the left atrium, passing the mitral valve, going to the left ventricle. It will pass to the aortic valve, going up to the aorta, which is called the biggest artery, which carries all the nutrients and oxygen to be transported to all parts of the body. So here we see the blood circulating throughout the body. Veins and arteries merged in the capillaries, where exchange of gases are taking place. The blue color stands for veins, and the pink blood vessel, the artery. Red signifies oxygenated blood. The heart has chambers and valves. Blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Blood vessels are of three kinds: the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Veins are blue in color, and they carry blood back to the heart, while the red are arteries, which carries blood away from the heart. Arteries and veins are interconnected in the capillaries, where gas exchange take place. The heart has four chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The heart has also four valves. First, we have the tricuspid valve between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Then we have the mitral valve between left atrium and left ventricle. Then the pulmonic valve going to the pulmonary artery, and the aortic valve going to the aorta. Oxygenated blood contains oxygen and nutrients, bright red in color and found in the arteries, while the deoxygenated blood contains carbon dioxide waste, dark red in color and found in veins. Artery carries oxygenated blood away from the heart, veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, and capillaries are for gas exchange. We see here that oxygen is given to the red blood cells in the alveoli. There are three types of circulation: pulmonary, systemic, and coronary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is from the heart to the lungs. Blood from the superior and inferior vena cava meet at the right atrium, goes to the right ventricle, and goes up to the pulmonary artery, going to the lungs. Capillaries encircle the alveoli. This is known as pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation starts from the heart, and the blood circulates throughout the whole body back to the heart. Systemic is from the heart to the body and back to the heart. So blood goes back to the heart from the lungs, going to the left atrium, to the left ventricle, going up to the aorta. So what is coronary circulation? It means from the heart going to the heart, passing through the coronary artery and the cardiac vein. The heart must have a blood supply of its own. That's all, folks.